Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn new chapter of maths, that is chapter number 7, coins and notes. Okay, let's start. Generally, we have many types of currencies we are using in our daily life. See, first is coins, second is notes. These are two types of currencies that we are using in our daily life. Next is coins. Now, how many coins do you have seen? Regularly you are seeing first is 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coins and 10 rupee coins. Okay. See, these are the coins that you have seen. Now next is notes. Now which type of notes you have seen? Now see, let's see. 1 rupee note, then 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note. Next is 50 rupee note, then 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note and 2000 rupee note. Clear? These are the notes that we are using in our daily life. Regularly we are using for purchasing anything or exchanging. So these are the notes we are using for purchasing anything from markets or any other purposes we are using. Clear? Now, exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones means which any type of a big coin or a big note we are exchanging for smaller ones. Generally, we are exchanging, suppose 10 rupee note change we want, 20 rupee note change we want. These words we are using for changing or exchanging the big note or a coin for a smaller coins or a note. Clear? So let's see if this. The change for 1 rupee coin is, these all I am taking from your textbook example. Okay, so 1 rupee coin, for 1 rupee coin change, which coins we will take for this? Yes, see here 50 paise coins. We will take 2 coins of 50 paise for 1 rupee change. Clear? So we have 1 rupee, 50 paise plus 50 paise, 1 rupee, and 1 rupee have 100 paise. 50 paise plus 50 paise will get 1 rupee. So this is 50 plus 50, 100 paise. Next is the change for 2 rupee coin is, for 2 rupee coin, how we will get the change? See here, can you tell me? Yes, now see, 50 paise will get 5 coins, or 2 rupee, 1 rupee coins, or we can take 1 rupee 1 coin, or 50 paise 2 coins. When we will take, then it will become a change for 2 rupee coin. So for 2 rupee, either we can take 4 50 paise coins, or 2 1 rupee coins, or 1 rupee coin and 2 50 paise coins. Clear? Now move to the next topic. Next is the change for 5 rupee coin is, for 5 rupee, how will take the change? Can you tell me? Now see here, 5 coins for 1 rupee. 1 rupee will can take 5. So we have 5 rupees. So 1 rupee, 5 coins. Or 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coin. Okay. 2 rupees, 2 coins, and 1 rupee only 1 coin. So we'll get 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Or we can take 50 paise 10 coins. Okay, 50 paise 10 coins, then we'll get 5 rupees. Okay, clear? Now move to the next. Next is the change for 50 rupee note. Now up till now we have seen only coins. Now we'll see 50 rupee note change. Okay. Now how we'll get this? Now let's see. We'll take 20 rupees 2 notes and one 10 rupee note. Clear? So 20 plus 20 40 plus 10 50 rupees. Clear? Now we have 50 rupees. This is for 50 rupees change. Or we can take another 5 10 rupee notes we can take. So 10 rupee notes, if we'll take 5, then our change is 50 rupees. Or now see, 10 5 will get 10 rupee notes, and 10 plus 10, all 10 will add, then we'll get 50 rupees. So clear? 20 rupees 2 note and 10 rupee 1 note also it will make 50 rupees, and 10 rupee 5 notes also it will make 50 rupees change. Clear on this? Okay, now next, exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones. This is bigger notes. Now change for 500 rupee note is, now how we will get? Let's see. Can you tell me this? Very easy it is. Now see 100 rupees. How many notes? 100 rupees. 4 notes we can take, and 50 rupees note, and 20 rupees also, plus 20 notes means 10 plus 10 rupees 2 notes, and 2 rupees 5 coins will take. Now if you will add all this, it will make a 500 change. See, 100 rupees 4 notes, 50 rupee 1 note, 20 rupees 1 note, and 10 rupee 2 notes, and 2 coins will take 5. So it will make a 500 change. Clear? Just add all this. If we will change 4, so how you will write? See this 400 rupee note, 150 rupee, 120 rupee, 2 10 rupee, and 5 2 rupee coins. Clear? See, if we will take this is, we will add all these things and we'll get 5 rupee change. Next is, smaller notes and coins can also be exchanged for a single bigger note or coin. See, it means if we have smaller notes and coins, then we can exchange that, and we will add, and we can exchange for a bigger note or a coin. Note or a coin, anything we can exchange. Let's see how to do that. Let's see here. We have, see, 10 rupees 3 notes and 5 rupees 4 coins we have. So, or one more thing, see, one more example, 20 rupees 2 note and 10 rupee 1 note. See, for how many, for which bigger number we can exchange these notes? See, we can exchange this for 50 rupee big note. Clear? See, again, see, 20 rupee 2 notes and 10 rupee we can exchange for 50. Now next, if we have 50 rupees 2 note and 50 rupee 1 note, 20 rupee 2 note, and 10 rupee 1 note, if we have these small notes, then which big note we can exchange this? Can you tell? Yes, we can exchange this for 100 rupees. 50 plus 50, and these all we will add, then we'll get 100. Now, if we have 100 rupees 5 notes. See, this is very easy. 100 rupees we have 5 notes, and we have another side 200 rupees 2 note and 100 rupees 1 note. These two smaller notes are there. So which bigger note will exchange these two? Tell me. Yes, it's very easy. Yes, this is the answer is 500 rupees. 500 is the bigger note, and these all are smaller note. We can exchange for 500. If we have 100 rupees, 200 rupees, we can exchange these two for 500 bigger note. Clear? We can exchange, or you can do practically this at home by exchanging these notes with your parents, or so that you can understand very easily by doing practically, by exchanging a smaller with bigger note or bigger with smaller. Clear? Now exercise will continue. Yes, after see, I have completed here all the examples. Now from page number 39, 40, 41 half part. Now we will continue with our exercise part. See, write the correct number in the square. First question, see here 1 rupee. See, 1 rupees 50 note means 50 rupees note 1 is given here in this. So the question is, for 50 rupee note, 5 rupee notes if you will take, then how many notes of 5 rupees you will take to complete this 50 rupee note? So if you will take 5 rupee 2 notes, it will become 5 2s are 10 rupees. So this way, if you will take 5 rupee 3 notes, so 5 3s are 15 rupees. If you will take 5 rupees 4 note, then it will become 5 4s are 20 rupees. Same way, if you will take 5 rupees 10 notes, if you will take, then it will become 5 10s are 50 rupee note. So clear, for 50 rupee note, if you will take 5 rupee note, so for 5 rupee notes, if you have to take 10 notes, so it will become 10 5s are 50 rupees. Now next, if for 50 rupee note, same note, if you will take 10 rupees, so how many notes you will take for completing this 50 rupee note? See, 10 rupees 2 note, it will make 20 rupees. So same way, 10 rupee 3 note, 30. So I will take 10 rupee 5 notes, then only it will become 50. Means 10 rupee 5 notes means 10 5s are 50. So it will become 50. Third question, in that only, 2 rupee coin and 10 rupee coins, both the coins if you will take, then how you will take? See, 2 rupee coins if you will take, if I will take 2 rupee 2 coins, then 2 2s are 4. So here I will take 2 rupee 5 coins, so 2 5s are 10 rupee, and 10 rupee coins if I will take 4. So 10 4s are 40 rupees and 2 5s are 10 rupees. So 40 rupees plus 10 rupees, it will make 50 rupee note. Clear? Same way you have to do the second question, but here note is given 100 rupee note, one note of 100 rupee. So question is, if I will take the 5 rupee note, see here 5 rupee note I have taken for 50 rupees, so it was 10 rupee. 5 rupee note I have taken for 50 rupees, so it was 10. Same 5 rupee note if I will take for making 100, so see 5 10s are 50. So 5 20s are, means if I will take 5 rupee 20 notes, 5 20 notes if I will take, then it will make rupees 100. Clear? Same way, if I will take 10 rupee note also and I will take 20 rupee note, so which number of notes I have to take? See, suppose for example I am taking 10 rupee 2 notes, so 10 2s are 20 rupees and 20 rupees 4 notes if I will take, so 24s are, means 20 20 20 20, 24s are 80, 80 plus 20, my answer is 100 rupee. So 20 rupees 4 note and 10 rupees 2 note will make 100 rupee note. Clear? Now third is 20 rupee notes. If I will take only 20 rupees, so for 20 20 20 20 means 20 notes, I have to take 5 notes of 20. So 20 5s are 100. I have to take 20 rupee 5 notes. Then it will become 100 rupee note. Now see 50 rupee. If I will take 50 rupee 1 note and 50 rupee 2 note, then it will become 50 plus 50 100 rupees. So 50 rupee how many notes? 2 notes only. Clear? Now next page, page number 42. third question. Here big amount is given. Here 2000 single note is given, means 2001 note is given. This is the bigger denomination number. This is the bigger note. Clear? So 10 rupee note, if I will take 10 rupee note for making 2000 rupees. So see, 10 rupee, if I will take 10 notes, 10 rupee 10 note, it will make 100. 10 rupee 10 note, 10 tens are, it will become 100. So 10 rupee 10 note will make 100. Same way I have to take 10 rupee. If I will take 100 note, it will make 1000 rupee. So I have to take 10 rupee 200 note, then it will become 2000. So 10 rupee, how many notes I have to take? I have to take 200 notes of 10 rupees, then only it will become 2000. See, if I will multiply 200 with 10, means 2 ones are 2, and I will add this 30, then it will become 2000. Same way, if I will take 20 rupee notes, see, 20 rupee notes I have to take to make this 2000. So 25 is 100. So I have to take 25 is 100, means I have to make 2000. So say I will take 20 rupee note, I will take 100 only, because 100 note will make 20. 2, if I will multiply, I will get the answer. 2 ones are 2, and this 3 zeros you will add, then you will get 2000 rupee note. Now third, 50 rupee notes. If I will take 50 rupee notes, so 50 rupee 2 note will make 100. Same way I have to make 2000. So 50 means 50 rupee. I have to take 40 notes to make 2000 rupees. If I will multiply these both the numbers, 40 into 50 means 4 5s are 20, and I'll add this 20. So it will become 2000. Now next is 100 rupee note. See, 100 rupees note, 100 rupees 10 notes will make 1000. So 100 rupee 20 notes will make 2000 rupees. 2 ones are 2, and add this 30, it will become 2000. And 500 is very easy. 502 notes, it will make 1000, and 504 note, it will make 2000. And you can multiply also. 4 5s are 20, and add this 20. Clear? Okay. After completing this part, means exercise question number 1, write the correct number in the square. First, second and third, till here you have to write in your textbook only with a pencil. And after that, from second, third, fourth, fifth, these 4 questions you have to write in your maths notebook. Clear? So take your maths notebook. After completing division word problem, after completing this division word problem, take a new page, write down today's date, then write down the heading, chapter number 7, coins and notes. After writing the heading, you have to write this heading, that Indian currency is rupees. Then second line, the symbol for rupees is, this way you have to write the sign rupees sign. Then third line you have to write the symbol for paise is P. After completing this 3 line, leave 1 line and start our exercise, page number 42. Then copy the question from your textbook. Ajay has 9 notes. The total value of those notes is rupees 500. Which notes does Ajay have, and how many of each? This is your question number 2. This you have to write in your maths notebook. Okay. After writing this question, you have to first understand the question. What is given in the question? See here, Ajay, he is having 9 notes. Only notes given, but which denominator, means which type, which note he is having, means 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupees note. This note is not mentioned here. Only he is having 9 notes, and the total value of those 9 note is rupees 500. The value means amount is given and number of note is given. And what question they ask that which notes does Ajay have and how many of each, means which notes he is having, either 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20, that we have to find out. So what is given in this question? Amount, that is rupees 500, and notes are total 9 notes, amount 500. This is given, and we have to find out which notes he is having and how many. So let's start. I have taken here 8 notes of rupees 50. Means 50 I have taken 8 notes. So 8 multiplied by 50, when you will multiply this 50 notes, you will get 50 means 50 into 8, you will get the amount 400. So rupees 400 you will get. Now From 9 notes, 8 notes I have taken of 50 rupees. So how many notes are remain now? Only one note is remain. So that one note, I will take one note of rupees 100 to make my amount 500. So 1 into 100, the amount is rupees 100. 1 into 100 you will multiply, you will get the answer 100. So when afterwards you have to add all this, 400 plus 100, you will get the amount 500, and the number of note is also same, that is 8 plus 1, 9. So our final answer is Ajay has 8 notes of rupees 50 and 1 note of rupees 100. Clear? Okay. Now move on to the next number, number 3. Swati has some 100 rupee notes, 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes. Here note is given, means which note she is having. If the total value of the note is rupees 500, here again the value of the amount of the note is 100. How many notes of each denomination does Swati have? So our question is, she is having 100 rupee note, 20 rupees note and 50 rupees note, and the amount is 500. You have to find the denomination, means numbers you have to find, means 100 rupee how many notes, 50 rupee how many notes and 20 rupees how many notes. This way you have to find the question first, what they have asked. So let's start with our answer. See, I have taken 3 notes of rupees 100. So if I will take 100 rupee 3 notes, then 100, 100, 100 means 100 threes are, amount will be 300 rupees. Then next I have taken 2 notes of 50 rupees. I have taken 2 notes of 50, then 50 plus 50, 2 into 50 means if I will multiply that 50 rupee note, then total amount will be rupees 100. Now next I will take 5 notes of rupees 20, means 20 I have taken 5 notes of 20 rupees. So 5 into 20, the amount will be 100 rupees. After multiplying all these numbers, I will add all this amount. 300 plus 100, 400, 400 plus 100, 500. So my amount will be 500, and the notes they have given 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 20 rupees. So finally I got the answer here. The final answer is Swati has 3 notes of rupees 100. See here I have taken 3 notes of rupees 100 and then 2 notes of rupees 50 and 5 notes of rupees 20. These they have asked in the question, that which denomination how many she have. So clear? Swati has 3 notes of rupees 100, 2 notes of rupees 50 and 5 notes of rupees 20 to complete that amount of 500. Clear? Okay, now move on to the next number, number 4. Nandu has 6 notes. Here notes, number of notes are 6. The total value of the note is rupees 1000. Here the value is 1000 and the number of note is 6. What they have asked, which notes does Nandu have and how many of each? Means which notes he is having, whether 50 rupee notes, 5 rupee note, 1 rupee note, 10 rupee note, that we have to find in this question. So let's start with our answer. 6 notes. So from 6 notes I have taken 5 notes of rupees 100. So if I will take 5 notes of 100, multiply it 5 into 100, our amount will be rupees 500. Now from 6 notes, already I have taken 5 notes, only 1 note is remaining. So 1 note of rupees 500 I will take. So 1 into 500, my amount will be 500 because I have to complete this amount 1000. So 500 plus 500, total amount will be 1000. And the number of note is also same. See, 5 plus 1, 6 notes and amount is 1000. So our final answer is, see, you have to write here 500 rupees, 100 notes and 500 rupee only 1 note. After writing this final amount, final answer is Nandu has 5 notes of rupees 100 and only 1 note of rupees 500 to complete the amount 1000, and number of note is also same, that is 6. Clear? Okay. Now question number 5. Salma has 11 notes. Here number of note is 11. If the total value of the note is rupees 1000, means the value, the amount is 1000 and number of note is 11. So which notes does Salma have and how many of each? This is the question, that we have to find the number of notes she is having with the amount, means which note she is having to complete the amount 1000. So Let's start with our answer. From 11 notes, I have taken 9 notes of rupees 100. 9 notes of rupees 100. 100, 100, I have taken 9 notes. So multiply 9 into 100. The amount will be rupees 900. Now from 11, 9 notes I have taken. How many notes remain now? Only 2. So 2 notes of rupees 50 I have taken. So 2 into 50, our amount will be 100 rupees. Rupees 100. 50 multiplied by 2, amount is rupees 100. So I will add all this amount, 900 plus 100, our total amount, total value is 1000 rupees, and number of note is also same, that is 9 plus 2, 11 notes with the amount, the value 1000. So 900 rupees I have taken 900 rupee note, and for 100 I have taken 250 rupee notes. Our final answer is Salma has 9 notes of rupees 100 and 2 notes of rupees 50. Clear? Okay, thank you.